When loading your machine, ensure that clothes aren't tangled and that the machine isn't over full. Selecting the correct drying program is also essential to ensuring optimum drying results. Consult your instruction manual to find out more about the programs available on your specific appliance, as well as information on which items a program is suitable for. Wardrobe Dry tends to be the default drying setting on most appliances, but many offer other options too, including Wardrobe Dry Plus, Extra Dry and Iron Dry, which is the lowest. Another cause for damp clothes could be that the filters are dirty and stopping the machine from heating up. It's important that you remove and clean the filter after every cycle. On a condenser dryer, it's also best to clean the condenser under running water on a monthly basis. If not cleaned regularly, this will affect the drying performance. Consult your user manual or see our video guides for guidance on how to clean and maintain your appliance. If you have a heat pump dryer, it will take longer than a condenser dryer, but will use far less energy. However, it is important to avoid opening the door during the cycle, especially within the first 10 minutes, as this will delay heating. Every time you open the door, it will extend drying time by 20 to 30 minutes. We also recommend that your appliance is not situated in a cold, unheated or drafty room, such as a garage, as that can affect drying performance, particularly during cold weather spells. If required, you can download your user manual from the AEG website by entering your appliance PNC number. You'll find the PNC number located on the rating plate here. If these tips have not resolved the problem, your appliance is not getting hot at all, or you're experiencing an error code, our consumer care team will be happy to help.